Page 15, Rockin Intervals. We get melodic and harmonic both here. Notice at the beginning, we get melodic intervals to start with. From the F to the E, that's a second. And from the E to the D is another second. Then they're melodic one after another. Then we get the harmonic intervals in the left hand, the two notes. Another dynamics mark giving here is the F. F in Italian, it's short for forte, means loud. We've already had the MF, the medium loud, the sort of loud. Now it's loud. Again, I can't tell you what loud is. You'll decide what loud is, but whatever it is, for that piece and that situation, stick with it for the whole, be consistent. Your louds are consistent within a performance. So, 4/4 time. Again, I don't like the way they're doing the dynamics. They're putting them in various places. They got the first F in the middle where it belongs, but they really did it because they're just applying to the upper staff. Because then in the third measure over, the F for the left hand is underneath the bottom staff, and that's incorrect. The F belongs between the staves, and you don't need the second F because you're going to be loud until some other dynamic comes along that changes it. It doesn't matter what hand is playing it. That's not important. Loud is loud, and it goes on until you get something else. So the first F belongs in the middle, and in this piece, that's the only F you need. That tells you it's all loud. And that's the melody, but it's all melody, so it doesn't matter. Now there is a repeat sign on this, so we're going to play this twice. I don't really have a lot to say about it. Let's go ahead and try it out. You have the rest mixed in, so make sure you're resting when you're supposed to rest. And you're starting out in C position again. I'll give us 4 counts and let's play it. Now I'm not going to do the loud and soft, I'm just going to play it. You do the louds and softs and all that on your own. You can do the singing on your own too. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, rest, rest. 2. Rest, rest, 2. Rest, rest, 2. Rest, rest. Now there is a duet part at the bottom of the page on page 15 for the teacher or somebody else who plays, where they can play that and you play this Rockin Intervals thing, and you play together as a duet. You can use the same keyboard or separate keyboards, up to you, it doesn't matter. They can actually be most any instrument who can play those notes. It could be a bass guitar or a string bass or some low instrument. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's intended for piano, but it's up to you. So let's play it together. Now, in order for this to work and it sound a little better, I need you to move everything up 1 octave. An octave is 8, an interval of an 1/8. Oct means 8, and it's simply letter to letter. So it's like C to C, that's an octave. It's an interval of an 1/8. Or E to E, or A to A, they're all octaves. That's very common. So just pretend middle C goes up on the keyboard to here. And pretend that's middle C. And so your hands are here. On the, not here, but here. And play it up here. Just pretend you're up here. And that way the duet will sound a little bit better. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. Now let's play this together. And it is repeated, so we're going to play it twice. I'm going to do the duet part. You do your part. You'll be able to hear them both. I won't know. That's all right. So go ahead and put your hands up here. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. repeat.